Hello, my name is Prianka Haque. I am a graduate in finance from London South Bank University. Over the years, I have been teaching English to international students who have been struggling with their speaking, listening, writing and reading skills. So with my experience, I've come to EdBase to join as an IELTS instructor. I am hoping to help students with speaking, writing and listening classes and to offer one-to-one support when it's needed. So you're welcome to join our IELTS classes for very easy to understand techniques and tricks to gain the highest band possible for you. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum.